Welcome to Property Investment Series, where I share one quick tip about the reason why you should invest in property. It's about time leverage. One of the really important things about investing in property is it's a very passive income. You can actually determine how much involved you want to get in your property investment. The reason why I say that is you can outsource as much as you can with the right setup in place. That means you can have a letting agent managing your property. You can have the right workmen coming to do any servicing or maintenance on your property. So while you might not be involved directly, you can have people set up to manage that on your behalf. And the good thing is you'll be getting your rental income on an ongoing basis. So that's one of the good things. Unlike other investments, investment is a really passive income, depending on what you actually want. Thank you.